Hi, welcome back. I'm Mateo from DMA. Today, I'm going to show you 3 ways to instantly sound better while playing the piano. This is going to be 3 little tricks that I use, that I told my student to use. And with those 3 tricks, it's very simple tricks. You're going to sound exactly and much better, and people will think you are, wow, what would this guy is playing? And those are just simple tricks. So if you're ready, let's start. The first trick to sound much better and instantly sound better is using arpeggios. Arpeggios are basically, I already talked about arpeggios. Arpeggios are basically chords, for example, C major, and chords who are broken. So instead of C major, you play note by note. And when you play arpeggios, for example, C major, C, E, G, C, E, G, C, you play and back, and with left hand and then you start with the G, from G, and you play. Those are all arpeggios. The second trick, just play arpeggios. With a lot you can play it and try it, different variations, different chords, and you will find your ways to play arpeggios, and those things sound extremely good, and they're not very difficult to play. The second trick and second way to instantly sound better is inversion of chords. We'll use the same chord. If you play C major and then you want to play G major next, a lot of my students are saying, oh, G major, start from G, we'll just play it from here. And using the inversion of chords, using that if you play C major here, just play G major here. Is the second inversion of G major, and instead of going up, you see, from here to here, you will just go from here to inversion of G major. So, and then you want to go A minor, inversion, F major, C major. But my point, if you have C, then you want to play G, just use the inversion of G. And then you want to play A minor, you use the inversion. And then F major, you can use 2 things. You can go here with F major, or from here go to this. And then again C major, F, G, and C. You will save yourself from jumping. It will be easier for you, and you're going to sound better because those things are near. The music will be a lot more smoothly than if you go and jump. And the third trick for today is slash chords. Slash chords are basically chords, but with the different note in left hand, in bass. If you play C major, you can see C major are made from C, E, and G. Instead of doing C in left hand, you do E. And you get C/E. Or if you play G, instead of playing G in left hand, you play B. And you get G/B chord. It's usually the third. So if you have G major, the third note is B. So when you play slash chord, you use the third. If you have D major, you're going with F sharp. You see? So just use the slash chords and you're going to sound incredible and music will be nicer. This was everything I wanted to show you today. I hope you had fun. I surely did. So until next time, see you and stay tuned.